Error Code 31, fix black screen, game crashing, and GPU not detected. Step 1. Check GPU and Device Manager. Press Win-X and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Find your AMD GPU. Right-click it and select Properties. Check if Windows shows Code 31 or another driver error. Step 2. Reset AMD Adrenalin settings. Open AMD Software Adrenalin Edition. Go to Performance Tuning. Reset all tuning settings to default. Disable any GPU overclock or undervolt. Restart your PC. Step 3. Clean install AMD driver. Download the correct AMD driver for your GPU. Use AMD Cleanup utility to remove the existing driver. Restart Windows. Install the latest stable AMD driver. Restart the PC again. Step 4. Try a previous AMD driver. If the problem started after a recent driver update, install a previous stable version. Remove the current driver first. Install the older AMD driver. Restart your PC. Test the affected game again. Next, Step 5. Clear DirectX shader cache. Open Windows Settings. Go to System, Storage, Temporary Files. Select DirectX shader cache. Remove the cache files. Restart your PC. Step 6. Repair Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run dism/online, cleanup image, restore health. Wait until the process finishes. Then run sfc/scanow. Restart your PC after both commands finish. Step 7. Disable overlays. Disable Discord overlay. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Disable AMD recording overlay features temporarily. Launch the game again. Check Windows Update. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install pending Windows updates. Restart your PC. Check whether the AMD driver problem started after a recent Windows update. If it did, check Microsoft's known issues before considering a rollback. Step 9. Check GPU temperature and power. Monitor your GPU temperature while gaming. Make sure GPU fans are working properly. Check that GPU power connectors are firmly connected. Make sure your PC has proper airflow. Remove dust if the GPU is overheating. Step 10. Verify game files and lower settings. Open Steam, Epic Games, or your game launcher. Verify or repair the game files. Disable ray tracing temporarily. Disable frame generation temporarily. Lower demanding graphic settings. Set an FPS limit and test again. Step 11. Recheck Device Manager. Restart the PC after completing the driver fixes. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Open AMD GPU Properties. Confirm that the Code 31 error is gone. If Code 31 remains, perform another clean driver installation. Step 12. Check for hardware instability. Keep the GPU at completely stock settings. Test multiple games instead of only one. Check whether black screens or driver timeouts happen outside gaming. Check GPU temperatures and PSU stability. If the problem continues after a clean driver installation, the GPU or another hardware component may need professional testing. Final check. Restart your PC. Confirm the AMD GPU appears normally in Device Manager. Launch the affected game. Test for black screens, crashes, driver timeouts, and GPU detection problems.